I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World. Today, God has given a beautiful message from the sweet home of gods and order us to convey this message for entire human beings and pleasureful life for all living beings in the world. Today we will understand introduction about planets union of 7 beautiful worlds. This planets union has creates formed, established by Almighty Supreme God. Its registered head office is at House of the God. Address is Lovely Sweet Home, Care of God, Upper 7 Beautiful Worlds, via 7 Beautiful Worlds. Contact number +91 9898 375 375. Email address is iswar_o@yahoo.co.in. Facebook ID is Swami Vishwa Anand. Sub branches of Planets Union are all hearts of all living beings. Those are living in 7 beautiful worlds. Main important functions of this planets union are making unity among all people of all 7 beautiful worlds, implementing all God's plans for all living beings in 7 beautiful worlds. Through this planets union beautiful platform, install God's name in all spiritual hearts of all living beings in 7 beautiful worlds. Opening all hearts, activate all hearts by remembrance of God's name, with rubbing God's name with their hearts beats. Generate divine energy, divine love in all hearts of all living beings are living in 7 beautiful worlds. Teach these spiritual techniques for being enlightenment of all humanity and all living beings in 7 beautiful worlds, making unity among all types of spiritual organizations, social services providers organizations, all governments of all countries, all players, all business houses including all businessmen, all types of artists, all types of health organizations, all types of producers including farmers, all types of providers, operators of all things of necessary for living, all types of cleaners organizations including all types of negativities, and also all types of organizations those are feeling positivities, spiritualities, goodness in all places in 7 beautiful worlds. Such all organizations, the planets union will make unifications and bring all such organizations under one umbrella. This umbrella is known as Planets Union, solving and settle all types of problems arise in 7 beautiful worlds from time to time. Workforces of Planets Union are we 10 crores peace loving and all types of qualified noble devotees are working and living in all 220 countries in 7 beautiful worlds. We always welcome all people of 7 beautiful worlds for come together and works together for development of spiritualities and materialistics, both parts of all 7 beautiful worlds in all living beings of all 7 beautiful worlds. So day to day many types of organizations and best qualities noble peoples are joining with Planets Union from all corners of these 7 beautiful worlds. Through Planets Unions, devotees have convinced to some governments and big dignitaries and solved some issues are as under. By graces and blessings of God and hard works of devotees of Planet Unions, we have prevents war between America and North Korea before 2 years. We have prevents 2 times wars between America and Iran within 2 years. We have prevents 3 times wars between India and Pakistan within last 2 years. At present, as per God's plan, with God's powers, blessings and graces and hard works of devotees of Planets Union, we are trying to solve human lives from coronavirus, panic and pandemic situations through getting helps of many governments and organizations. We are providing medical equipments, medicines, food grains, all types of necessities for human lives and saving human lives in entire beautiful worlds. We have offers to monetary help to mosques of Pakistani during Ramadan spiritual months. If they closed their mosque for saving human lives from coronavirus situations, we have offered our monetary help and all types of help to people affected from Amphan cyclone in West Bengal and Odisha's area, from House of the God and governments too. We have also offered monetary and all types of our helps to people affected from Nisarg cyclone in Maharashtra and Gujarat states of India, these areas, from House of the God and governments too. At present, works under Planets Union are going on by the help of God's powers, blessings and graces. We are near to solve the 4 international issues like tensions created between America and China at ocean area, problems created between India and China regarding border issues, we are solving them. Problems between Nepal and India regarding border areas, we are solving them. Kashmir issues between Pakistan and India, we are solving them. Regarding about 4 issues, some governments, some organizations, and devotees are helping, cooperating, and so we are very near to solve them by powers of God too. Request of planets unions to all human beings. Please join together with Planets Union. Share your all types of noble experiences, noble knowledges, noble ideas, noble techniques, noble thoughts with devotees of Planets Union, so that all mankind can get benefited from your such sharing with Planets Unions. You all mankind we need always. So you all are most welcome with Planets Unions. You can share your such all noble valuable experiences and noble treasures on WhatsApp number +919898375375. Thanks you all, my lovely human beings. God bless on us all. I am praying to Almighty Supreme God. Hey God, please make your beautiful showers, your all powers, showers on all humanity and all living beings for pleasureful life, so that we can come out from the coronavirus situations at present in entire the world. I am just conveying this beautiful message from house of the God. This message not came from my own mind. This message I received from house of the God, and I am just a servant of the God, and I am servant of all humanity, so that I am conveying this beautiful message as a mother of the world, as a servant of the God. We will meet from time to time to convey this type of messages. Goodbye, up to next meetings. God bless. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.